Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to do email and password authentication with Firebase in native iOS application. So firstly you will have to create a Firebase project. Okay, once you create that project, I'll show you the output first. So here is the output, and these are all the emails which I already created, but don't worry, we'll create a new email as well. So I'll quickly enter some email ID as well as some password, and then I'll click on the sign up button. And once I click on sign up, and redirect it to the new view controller where I'm just displaying the user email. And if you completely close the app and open it again, you will be automatically redirected to the sign up page and not to sign out page, and not to the sign up and login page, because the user state management is automatically done by Firebase, so we don't have to worry about it. And if I click on sign out again, I'm redirected back to the main activity. If I click on refresh, here you can see this new user was created for us, and if I enter the same credential and click on login, I will be redirected again to the same. So yeah, that's it for today's video. And also, yeah, if I completely stop the app and run it again, here you can see I'm redirected back to the sign out page and not to the sign in and login, because my state was maintained. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So first, create a Firebase project. Once you do that, you will have to go to this build authentication, and you won't see this. You might have to go to sign in, click and add new provider, and here you will have to click on email and password, something like this. Okay, and here you will have to just enable this one, email and password. Don't worry about email link, passwordless sign in. We'll look into that in some other video. Once that is done, you will have to go to project overview, and here you just have to click on add iOS. You will have to copy your create a native iOS project using SwiftUI or UIKit. I am using UIKit. You will have to copy your bundle identifier from your project. So I'll just enter some random one for now. Give some app name, then click on register app. Once you do that, you will get an Google service -info.plist. Download it, and here you will as you can see, I have dragged and dropped that file inside my project. So you will have to drag and drop the same thing inside your project as well. So Google service -info. Once that is done, click on next, and here you can see that you can use Swift package manager. So I'm using, if you want CocoaPods, you can use that as well. So just copy this link, then here you can go to file, add package dependencies, and here you can just copy paste this URL and just click on add package. And as soon as you do that, I just required Firebase auth. So what you could do is you can just search for Firebase. We don't require all these packages, so insert in front of Firebase auth, just select your project. Now I have already selected this project, that's why it is not allowing me to select again. Just select your project and then click on add package. We don't need all of this stuff, only require Firebase auth. Once that is done, what I did was, inside my storyboard, I just embedded, go to editor, click on embed in navigation controller. So here you will see this navigation. This is only for moving from one screen to another screen. This is not related to Firebase. Next, if you see, you will go back to the docs again, click on next. Here you will have to import Firebase core. So just go to app delegate, import Firebase core, and here you will also, inside did finish launching with option, you will have to add Firebase app.configure, which they have mentioned over here. Okay, next you also have to add this -objc flag to build settings. So go to your app, go to build settings, search for other linker flags, and here you will have to add -objc. Once that is done, let's see, click OK, continue to console. Then what I have done, inside view controller, I have imported Firebase auth. Then I have created two text fields, one for email and one for password, and two buttons, sign up and login. And here I have just added some placeholder as well as added it to our sub view. Same for sign up button, as well as added a click listener for sign up and login. Then this is normal NS layout constraint stuff. and here you can see that I have added this did state change listener. So whenever a user has successfully signed up or logged in, or even if he is not logged in, this state change listener gets called, and here I am checking if user is not equal to nil, and a user will be not equal to nil only if he has signed up and logged in. So if the user has already signed up, I am automatically redirecting the user back to the second view controller or to the sign out page. So this is the code for it. Okay, and once sign up is called, sign up button is pressed, here I am just taking the email text field as well as password text fields text, just calling auth create user, passing the text, and here you will get the auth result as well as the error. If error is not equal to nil, then I'm just printing it to the console. But here you can see as soon as the user is created, automatically this thing is called, and if the user is not equal to nil, it will redirect you to the sign out page. Same thing happens for login as well. I'm just calling this method sign in method, everything else remains the same, and once the user has signed in successfully or logged in, this gets called, and we are redirecting user back to the navigate method. Next, for second view controller, I've just created a Swift file, imported UIKit Firebase auth. I have created one label, one button, added a click listener to the button. Then this is like normal NS layout stuff, and if the user is not equal to nil, I'm just displaying the user's email to inside our text. You can't, there is no password property, you won't be able to fetch the user's password, that is encrypted inside Firebase itself. So you as a developer, even you won't be able to see the password. And once the sign out button is pressed, I'm just calling auth sign out, and here I'm just redirecting back to the first view controller, and like the normal view controller, and I'm just removing the second view controller from stack. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.